We have another example on the board. This time angle alpha is given and length of side A. We're supposed to find the length of side C and side B and angle beta. This time I'm going to look at the problem. I have alpha and I have A, and let's take a look which formulas we can use. We're supposed to use the formula which contains two pieces of information. We have alpha given and side A, and we have alpha given and side A. So we can use two formulas. Formula for sine alpha and formula for tangent alpha. Because we solved previous problems with sine alpha, this time we are going to use formula for tangent alpha, just to show you that we can use also tangent. Okay, so we have tangent alpha is equal A over B. Opposite side to angle alpha over the adjacent to angle alpha. This is the tangent. Okay, so in order to find B, I'm supposed to multiply both sides of the formula by the denominator, always. Remember, anytime you want to eliminate the fraction from the formula or from the equation, you're supposed to always multiply both sides of the equation or the formula by the denominator of the fraction. So B and B will cancel out, and I have B tangent alpha is equal A. In order to find B from this formula, I'm supposed to divide both sides of the formula or equation by tangent alpha. Tangent alpha. Tangent alpha and tangent alpha will cancel out, and we have B is equal A over tangent alpha, where A is equal 18.4 kilometers over tangent alpha, which is equal 32.6 degrees. Please notice that this time we are working with degrees, so your calculator must be switched to degrees. Plug in these numbers into the calculator and you're supposed to get 28.77 kilometers, and this is the length of side B. Next, we're supposed to find the hypotenuse of the triangle. We're supposed to find length of side C. In order to find this side, I can use Pythagorean theorem. We have C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So in order to find C, I'm supposed to square root both sides of the formula, and I'm going to have C equals square root A squared plus B squared. And I have square root, open parenthesis, side A is 18.4 kilometers raised to the second power plus length of side B 28.77 kilometers raised to the second power. This is equal 34.15 kilometers. Please notice that if you enter these values into the calculator, you don't supposed to enter the kilometers, okay? You're supposed to just simply enter 18.4 to the second power plus 28.77 to the second power, okay? You just keep in mind that the unit of length has to be there just in order to make this equation looking professional and remind you that the final answer has to be expressed in kilometers. Okay, don't try to look at the calculator and try to find the kilometers up there. Okay, just simply enter the numbers and end up with the proper unit of measure. So this is my side C. In order to find angle beta, I'm supposed to remember that the sum of these two angles, alpha and beta, is equal 90 degrees. That's why I'm going to say that beta is equal 90 degrees minus alpha. So I have 90 degrees minus alpha, which is equal to 32.6 degrees, is equal 57.4 degrees. We found side B, which is long 28.77 kilometers. We found side C, which is equal to 34.15 kilometers, and we found angle beta. So you can say that the problem is solved.